Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are going to share the recipe of a refreshing and gut-friendly beverage, Postbiotic Kiwi Chia water, using our Koso. Did you know? Kiwi fruits and chia seeds are not only delicious, but also packed with benefit for gut health. Golden kiwi fruit contain almost 3 times more vitamin C than orange and strawberries. Vitamin C helps absorb iron, support immune system, plays an important role in collagen production. Kiwi fruits are also high in fiber. Soluble fiber in kiwi fruit is broken down by bacteria in the gut. This process produces short-chain fatty acid, which provides several health benefits, including nourishing the cell lining, reducing inflammation, and supporting immune function. Insoluble fiber in kiwi fruit add bulk to stool, help prevent constipation, and promote regular bowel movement. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids that we should get from food, as our body cannot produce. Omega-3 fatty acids can change the composition and quantity of gut bacteria. They can also affect the level of pro-inflammatory substances. Omega-3 fatty acids can regulate the level of short-chain fatty acids, which play a crucial role in gut health and immune function. This is so easy to make as always. You need 1 tablespoon of our Koso or 2 teaspoons of our Koso lower sugar, 1 kiwi, half tablespoon of chia seed, 1 cup of water. All you need to do is combine chopped kiwi, chia seed, our Koso in a glass and pour water. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Chia seed will absorb water. Try this recipe today to give your gut the love and care it deserves. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.